Okay, now I need to figure out the height of what this is going to be with the mount on there and everything. So I'm just going to do this to get a measurement so I know how tall I need to lift that second shelf up. So the way this is supposed to work is, let's lock this so it doesn't tip open when I'm turning it over. These plug in like that. They're fairly loose fit, so gonna have to hold them when I flip it. All right, once that's done, flip it this way, and it slots down in here like this. And I do have this piece right here that I 3D printed as well, because this thing can slide back and forth. And to prevent that, someone designed this clip which fits into this front little slot right here. So basically what you're supposed to do is run it through here like this, and then pull this up as far forward as you can, clip that into place, and this prevents this from sliding around. It's not super sturdy, but it's enough to keep it from sliding around. So this is what it's going to look like once it's in the unit. So now I need to open the lid up, take a measurement so I can get a measurement for how tall my shelf is going to be. All right, we're looking at 33 3/4 of an inch. Actually, let's go to 34 1/4 because the little tab up here at the top. So 34 1/4. Okay, it appears that my spacing here is right at 34 1/4. Yep, both sides. And from here, now I'll have to make a new door because the other one clearly is not going to work for me because it's a little short. So I'll cut another one of those out and get that installed.